What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about new video online website. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung ano yung meron sa new video online website at saka i-share ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-login sa new video online website. So punta lang kayo sa browser na gusto nyo kung saan kayo magla-login guys. For example, sa Chrome. Then, pag-open nyo ng Chrome, makikita nyo yung Google. Then, type nyo guys sa search bar, new video online website as you can see. Tapos, pagkakita nyo, ayan, lalabas yan, video online, video Unibank INC. Tapos, pagka-click nyo yan, the new video online website is here. Tapos, click nyo lang guys yung login. Pagka-click nyo ng login guys, lalabas to. Video online. Welcome to video online. Username, password, then login. Ngayon guys, kung wala pa kayong login details dito, kailangan nyo muna mag-register. Nakikita nyo po guys, ayan, don't have online banking yet. So, need nyo mag-sign up. Kailangan nyo i-click yan para mag-sign up kayo. Then ngayon, so kung gusto nyo mapanood kung paano mag-create ng username at saka password, may vlog po ako guys. Nasa description po ng vlog na ito. Click nyo po yung more. Tapos nakita nyo dun sa description, nandyan po yung link papunta kung paano mag-create ng login details, yung username at saka password. So continue tayo guys. Welcome to video online. So kung meron na kayong login details guys, click nyo yung username and password. Input nyo yung details. Pagka-input nyo guys, click nyo lang yung login. Ngayon after that, lalagay dito, video online, confirm your login using your mobile device. Tap continue to send a notification to your video online app. So kapag kinontinue nyo yan guys, mag-notify doon sa my video online app ninyo. Para sa general guys, lahat makakapag-login kahit wala yung video online. Mas maganda guys, sa SMS na lang tayo. Piliin na lang natin guys na sa SMS tayo makareceive ng OTP kasi yung iba baka walang video online application. So, experiencing problems, confirm via SMS OTP instead. So, pag-click nyo yan guys, dediretso yan dito. We need to make sure it's you. Enter the one-time PIN sent to your registered mobile number. So, andyan yung OTP guys, nakikita nyo. Yan yung OTP na dumating. Then, i-input nyo lang, then submit. Kung hindi kayo naka-receive ng OTP guys, after few minutes, resend OTP, nakikita nyo, click nyo lang yan para maka-receive kayo ng another OTP. Kasi minsan na-delay talaga siya. Pagka-receive nyo, input nyo lang, then submit. Ayan, nakikita nyo na guys, naka-login na tayo ngayon. Nakikita nyo na yung accounts, tapos yung savings account na meron ako, din yung credit cards. Then kapag click nyo yung savings account na yan, yung SEF, makikita nyo yung transaction history. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Tapos sa credit cards naman, ganun din. So take note lang guys na yung login details natin is confidential. Dapat iniingatan nyo yan ha. Huwag nyong ibinabalatra kung kani-kanino kasi maaari kayong mawala sa ganong sitwasyon kapag na-access nila yung video online account ninyo. Kahit na video application or video online website. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo sa login details ninyo. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng new video online website guys? Magkaiba ito sa new video online banking application. Kasi itong application guys is dina-download siya from Play Store which is automatic siya. It's an application. Tapos itong video online website naman is itatype nyo sa website, isi-search nyo yung website na yon tapos doon kayo mag-online or bubuksan yung savings account ninyo para makita nyo yung records at saka yung transaction history. Tapos, naka-receive ako ng email guys from BDO saying na important advisory, log into the new video online website now. So, yung website na sinasabi is kailangan nyo pumunta sa Safari, kung naka-iPhone kayo, kung naka-desktop kayo, sa Chrome, at iba't iba pang klase ng browser. So, nakikita nyo guys, yung laman ng email is get started on the new video online website. Experience a fresh new interface of the new video online website as you view and manage your accounts and cards and continue to make transactions. Just go to onlinebanking.bdo.com.ph. Guys, dapat maging aware kayo sa mga unofficial website or unofficial email na nagsisend sa inyo kasi minsan fake websites yan, delikado siya. I-check nyo muna yung credibility or yung katotohanan kung totoo ba yung website na mula mismo sa official BDO nang galing yung message or email na yon. Baka kasi mahulog kayo sa patibong ng mga scammers. Then, ito nakikita nyo, just go to onlinebanking.bdo.com.ph or visit the BDO website, log in personal BDO online banking new. So, if you use the BDO Online or BDO Pay apps, log in with your username and password. Otherwise, log in with your old online banking website, username and password. So, kapag kayo ay naka-register na guys sa BDO Online, yung username at saka password, kung ano yung ginagamit nyo dun, yun yung magiging login details sa new BDO online website. If you're already using the BDO online app, log in more securely on the BDO online website with push authentication. So, gamit yung application guys, pwede kayo makapag-generate ng OTP doon para hindi nyo na kailangan antayin yung OTP via text message. Pero ako kasi guys, madalas yung ginagamit ko is yung OTP via text message kasi for me mas mabilis siya. Andito yung further details guys. Kung gusto nyo i-enable yung push notification para kung gusto nyo na hindi nyo na kailangan mag-antay ng text message para sa OTP with push notification through the BDO online app, no need to wait for an OTP via SMS. Just make sure that push notifications are enabled on your device settings. Here's how. On your device, go to Settings Apps, tap Video Online Notifications, toggle on Allow Notifications. Sa mga Android yon. Para naman sa mga iOS means sa mga iPhone users. On your device, go to Settings Notifications, tap Video Online, toggle on Allow Notifications. Para naman sa App Gallery, sa mga Huawei users. On your device, go to Settings Notifications, go to Settings, then Notifications, then pangalawang step is tap Video Online, then toggle on Allow Notifications. So, yun yung instruction guys. Kung gusto nyo na, doon na mismo kayo kukuha ng OTP, hindi na via text message. The next guys is you can also log in via SMS OTP here. Kung gusto nyo na via OTP, option nyo lang guys yung via SMS kayo makareceive ng OTP. Note, if you're not using yet the BDO online app, you will automatically receive an SMS OTP. So kapag wala pa kayong BDO online app, hindi pa kayo nakapag-register doon, automatic guys, via SMS kayo makaka-receive ng OTP. Some important reminders guys is add your joint account and trust account. So sa new BDO online website is pwede nyong i-add yung joint account or trust accounts ninyo. Click Manage Accounts, add own account, enter the required information, then click Add. Review the details, then click Confirm. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Then that's all. That's good to go. Then, save your frequent billers, add recipients as favorite. So kapag ginagamit niyo yung online banking niyo, pambayad ng bills niyo para hindi na kayo paulit-ulit ng kaka-input ng details ng babayaran niyo, i-save as favorite niyo siya para next time, diretso niyo na lang siya i-click kung ano yung babayaran niyo. Click More, then Manage Favorites. Click Transaction you'd like to add as favorite. So, piliin nyo yung kung ano yung transact ninyo para automatic nyo na lang siya. Dediretso na lang kayo dun kung babayad ulit kayo. Like sa Manila Water or sa PLDT, ganyan. Click Add Favorite. So, kapag naka-add siya favorite, diretso na lang kayo sa favorites. Then, enter the required details, then click Save. So, pag na-save nyo na, then okay na yon. Then, ito naman, set your scheduled transactions. Kung gusto nyo na naka-schedule yung fund transfer, you should try this feature. Set your scheduled transactions. Go to Send Money or Pay Bills. Enter the required details. Kasi kahit sa mga pagbabayad ng bills, pwede nyo i-schedule guys para automatic siya na magbabayad na lang ng kusa. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching guys. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!